Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me today on yet another simple tutorial on how to change a Word document to a PDF document. It's a very easy process. This is your open document file that is in Word format. There are two options to convert from Word to PDF. One, you go to File, you select Save, then you browse the location where you want to save your PDF document. Before you hit the save button, make sure you change the save as type. Change the save as type from Word document to PDF. Make sure you select PDF. Then you select the exact location where you want to save your file. I want to save it on the desktop. You give it a name, then you press save. Takes a few seconds to complete, and it has completed. Minimize this, and here's your PDF file. Let's open it. You can right click and open with Adobe Reader if you have one, or double click, it will open by default with Microsoft Edge, but let's use Adobe Acrobat Reader. So here is your PDF document that you've just converted from Word to PDF. Let me show you the second option. You open your PDF, your Word document, you go to File, then you go to Print. Make sure you have a PDF printer installed. By default, mine, let's go to Print, then you select the printer. I have Microsoft Print to PDF already installed on my machine. It comes with Windows 10 by default. It's a very easy tool to use. So you select Microsoft Print to PDF as the printer where you want to print to, then you click Print. It will ask you the location where you want to save your PDF file. Let me call it test. I save it on the desktop as PDF, save as PDF, then I click save. So it's printing to PDF. Give it a few seconds so we can check if it has all right, it's here, it's on the desktop. So those are two methods you can use to convert your Word document into PDF. Remember to subscribe, and thank you for watching.